Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Students, today we will discuss about sounds of double O. It means combination sounds of double O. Students, combination means joining of two letters. And here we will discuss about double O. Before discussing our today's topic, firstly I will tell you how to start your work. Students, firstly on the left hand side you will mention current date. Then on the right hand side you will mention current day, like which day is today. After that, on next line you will mention heading of the work, that is sounds of double O. Now read its spelling with me. S-O-U-N-D-S. I repeat, S-O-U-N-D-S. Sounds of double O. Let's start our today's topic. You will also speak with me. B-double-O-K, book. I repeat, B-double-O-K, book. Next one, C-double-O-K, cook. I repeat, C-double-O-K, cook. Next one, H-double-O-K, hook. I repeat, H-double-O-K, hook. Next one, G-double-O-D, good. I repeat, G-double-O-D, good. Next one, W-double-O-D, wood. W-double-O-D, wood. Next one, F-double-O-D, food. F-double-O-D, food. Next one, W-double-O-L, wool. W-double-O-L, wool. Next one, B-double-O-T, boot. B-double-O-T, boot. Next one, S-P-double-O-N, S-P-double-O-N, spoon. Next one, B-A-double-L-double-O-N. I repeat, B-A-double-L-double-O-N, balloon. One more time, B-double-O-K, book. C-double-O-K, cook. H-double-O-K, hook. G-double-O-D, good. Next one, W-double-O-D, wood. F-double-O-D, food. Next, W-double-O-L, wool. B-double-O-T, boot. Next one, S-P-double-O-N, spoon. Next one, B-A-double-L-double-O-N, balloon. Students, I hope you got it very well. Do this work in your English fair notebook and do in good handwriting and learn it also. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.